Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink protein powder for weight loss. To effectively use protein powder for weight loss, focus on creating a calorie deficit while maintaining muscle. Protein helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Aim to replace 1 or 2 higher calorie meals or snacks with a protein shake. This simple swap can significantly contribute to your daily calorie reduction goals, making your weight loss journey more manageable and effective. Timing your protein intake strategically can maximize its weight loss benefits. Consider replacing one of your daily meals, like breakfast or lunch, with a protein shake to easily manage your calorie budget. Alternatively, drinking a shake about 30 minutes before a larger meal can help you feel fuller, leading you to consume fewer calories during that meal. Post-workout, a protein shake supports muscle repair, which is vital for a healthy metabolism. Determining the right amount of protein is key for effective weight loss. A good starting point is to aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving in your shakes. For overall daily intake, target about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. Spreading this intake across 3 to 5 meals or snacks throughout your day helps maintain consistent satiety and supports muscle preservation. Selecting the right type of protein powder can enhance your weight loss efforts. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed, making it excellent for post-workout recovery or a quick hunger fix. Casein protein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a prolonged feeling of fullness, which is beneficial before bed. Plant-based options, such as pea or soy protein, offer effective alternatives for those with dietary restrictions, delivering comparable benefits for managing your weight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.